Okay, so doing today is taking, this is May, so it's July, June, May. It's 3 months to do. My clutch blew 3 months ago in the HRVT apparently.
Because of he who must not be named.
He who must be named.
Voldemort.
Blew my clutch. I think he was doing burnouts in the car, and we're just like dumping the clutch, and the clutch exploded. So about in June, we dropped the transmission. So this has been out for like a month. I think it's a month now, yeah. And now we're putting it back in. So this morning, I got up early, jacked up the car, was able to get. I had to buy a new full exhaust because he who must not be named cut the header of the exhaust instead of just taking the exhaust out when we dropped the transmission. So the header was cut at the top and the rest of the exhaust was just dangling. Got it out, tried getting the EGR valve out, couldn't get it out, snapped off as you can see. So that's gone, about to buy another one of that. And then this is the rest of the exhaust. So we got the new flywheel in because the old flywheel was over here. You can see how bad it is. Like when we dropped the transmission, like basically it was like Thanos like snapped my clutch because it was just dust like inside the transmission. Ooh. Yeah, it was bad, and I've never seen anything like that bad before, but it was bad. So the flywheel's in, and the clutch is in. We just torqued down the clutch plate, and so now we're just putting the transmission in. I got a new exhaust as well.
Oh yeah.
I got the headers. There's the affordable exhaust system. But yeah, so we're gonna get that installed too, but we gotta get the transmission
first. And what time is it? 8? You think we could do it midnight?
Oh, we can get the transmission in before midnight for sure, but I don't know about
everything.
I don't know about everything. The thing I'm worried about is like putting the tiny things back together, like the starter. God, dude, if it doesn't move,
you can't shift.
I don't know like why if it wouldn't, but maybe we didn't put it in right. But I think we're confident. Pretty good.
Let's put the transmission on top of that, and then I can push it under while you guys are lifting it.
Yeah, right there. Yeah. It's gonna hit. All right, I'm ready for some guts.
Ready? Yep, I'm jacking up now. Pause. These fucking hoses, bro.
Oh yeah.
Only time I don't like hose, bro. So tomorrow will be everything fucking else.
Oh my god, that's a lot of else.
Just starter, mount the starter, mount the slave,
headers.
Yeah, headers and exhaust.
Yo, Mike, be trust over.
What the Oh, he's dipping it.
Oh my god!
That's a lot of grease. You weren't supposed to put that much. We gotta wipe some of this off. Wait, careful, that other part is. Hold on, now see the thing is.
I think this is for the brakes.
You gotta help me put this in. Whoa, watch your hood.
Watch your hood. Probably no way to.
Then we need that 240 hood.
That mod.
Yeah, and put that unequal weight header on.
Rum, bum, 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 bum.
Big bolt, bro.
I forgot you over torque God. I'm playing. 60?
Yeah.
What? You said it's 60.
That's good.
Our hands are fucking dirty. Dang, Pat's ready to smell Beatles like you were yesterday.
Get some nuts in so I can take the jacket off.
How many nuts?
Wait. But the thing is now, we gotta put the motor mount bolts back in.
That's what I'm scared of.
So that's what
shit!
No, but look at this valve cover. It's not even a Mazda. It's a Mazda. Okay.
What the fuck?
That was good. That was way. Where?
So little too bright.
This one? This one?
It was too bright. Do it again.
Oh shit, it's flying! Oh, shit.
Yo, shit.
I made a lot of money on this side. Lost a lot of money on this side.
Yo, relax. Nah, we gotta finish this.
Back on this side. Trying to get back what's been mine.
Oh, he trying to use me as a shield, bro? Yo, that's real crazy. Yo, that's real crazy. Cause he's been punching them.
Kill that motherfucker, bro.
No, don't push it towards me. Hey. Hey, man. He's up now. You think? Oh, How long was the car sitting for? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's hit the little.
Don't
You plug your starter back in?
Like they're trying to turn it on. Okay. Keep going.
Oh.
Try it.
I think the starter's bad, bro.
God damn it.
Yeah.